Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 16, 2023, Saturday. Weekend special. As you all know, during the weekends, we put global market videos. We put 3 parts, the videos into 3 parts. The first part will contain global markets, that is indices, global indices, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, FTSE, then CBOE weeks, volatility index basically, in part 1. And in part 2, we cover dollar index and its components, and also USD INR, though it is not part of the dollar index. Lastly, we cover part 3, US 10-year Treasury yield, Brent and NYMEX. So basically, today we'll be discussing for the week of December 11, Monday till December 15, 2023, Friday. That is till yesterday, previous week. So first the level, then we go into the discussion. Dow closed at 37,309.22, 2.9% up this week. Nasdaq closed at 14,813.92, 2.8% up this week. While S&P closed 4719.19, 2.5% up this week, and FTSE closed at 7576.36, 0.3% up this week, and CBOE weeks will cover a little later. Okay, so in the month, Dow has gone up by 3.8%, Nasdaq 4%, S&P 3%, 3.3%, FTSE up by 1.6%. In the year, massive move of 41% by Nasdaq, while Dow moved up by 12.6%, S&P has also fantastic move of 23%, while FTSE is flat around 1.7% up. So last week what happened? If you recollect, we have been telling that it is on a significant uptrend. So now in this week, 7th week in succession, Dow, Nasdaq and S&P formed a solid green candle, and it closed decisively above the Bollinger Upper Band in all the time frames. In all the time frames means what? Daily, weekly and monthly. That means you can see the power with which bulls is taking the market up. Anybody, it's like a bullet train going at rapid speed. Anybody coming in between will be crushed. The bears will be crushed severely. That's the move. That's the power of this move. So hence, like, there is no sight of any reversal scene, because it's going just like this, beautiful. If one can see the charts, it's a delight to see. That's how it is moving. So hence, it is above all the moving averages, all the exponential moving averages in all time frames. So there is nothing much to say. Excepting that in this market, all one could have done is just close the eyes and buy, I would have made money. Simple as that, right? Because it is on such a significant up move. It is the in the monthly also, it has significantly gone above and above the Bollinger Upper Band. So all these three indices. FTSE is something where we can talk. FTSE for the second week in succession, it formed a solid green candle, but it formed with a long upper wick which touched the upper band and then came down. In the daily chart, it formed the first reversal on Friday, but notwithstanding that, we have been telling for quite some time that FTSE is going to close the year flat, which you have been telling since October, and 2024 is going to be a year of FTSE. Take it from me, okay? It's going to be a year of FTSE because we can see significant up move in FTSE if it closes around these levels, which in all likelihood it is going to close at these levels because we have hardly left 9 trading sessions in the year to be completed. CBOE Wix, on the other hand, CBOE Wix at 12.28, it formed the 7th week in succession of red candle, but the movement is very narrow, limited. It is not like falling, like Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, 7th week in succession, it is going up, but it is going up significantly, whereas this is not going down significantly, and it is just incrementally, slightly it is going down. And as I always been maintaining that the levels of 11.2 will act as a very strong support, and I don't think it is going to break below that. So overall, it's a happy time, and this happy time probably will continue for another 7 days, because the next week, if it is over, hardly there will be any trading volumes in the global markets as well as Indian markets, global markets in particular. Hence, no, the closure will be more or less at the around these levels, probably no another plus minus 1% from these levels. That's all, not beyond that. And 2024 is going to be game on. Thank you very much. In part 2 of the video, we'll be discussing about dollar index and its components. Thank you.